Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are focusing on one of the hottest trends for the season, puffed sleeve summer outfits. Puffed sleeves are making a big comeback, adding a touch of romance and drama to everyday fashion. From dresses to tops, this trend can elevate your summer wardrobe and bring a fresh stylish twist to your look. Let's dive into the world of puffed sleeves and explore how you can incorporate this trend into your summer outfits. One of the most popular ways to wear puffed sleeve is through a classic summer dress. These dresses come in various styles from mini to maxi and can be worn for any occasion. For a casual day out, opt for a puffed sleeve dress in a lightweight fabric like cotton or linen. Pair it with sandals and a straw hat for a breezy, effortless look. For an evening event, choose a dress in a richer fabric like silk or satin and pair it with heels and statement jewelry to create a sophisticated ensemble. Puffed sleeves tops are incredibly versatile and can be paired with just about anything in your wardrobe. For a chic and casual look, wear a puffed sleeve top with high-waisted shorts or jeans. This combination is perfect for a day out shopping or casual brunch with friends. If you are heading to the office, pair a puffed sleeve blouse with tailored blouses or a pencil skirt. The puffed sleeve add a fashionable touch while maintaining a professional appearance. For those hot summer days, puffed sleeve crop tops are a stylish and cool option. These tops can be paired with high-waisted skirts, shorts or jeans to create a balanced look. The high-waisted bottoms help you elongate your legs and create a flattering silhouette. Choose crop tops in vibrant colors or playful prints to add some fun to your summer wardrobe. This look is perfect for festivals, beach outings or casual hangouts. Maxi dresses are a summer staple and when combined with puff sleeves, they become a standout piece. These dresses are ideal for those long summer days when you want to look stylish without compromising on comfort. Pair a puff sleeve maxi dress with flat sandals or espadrilles for a more relaxed look. Jumpsuits with puff sleeves are the bold and fashionable choice. Nothing says summer like floral prints. And when combined with puffed sleeves, they create a look that is both feminine and trendy. Puffed sleeves are all about making a statement, and nothing does better than exaggerated shoulders. Dresses or tops with oversized puff sleeves can add a dramatic flair to your summer wardrobe. For a casual yet stylish look, pair puff sleeve tops with denim. Whether it's jeans, skirts, or shorts, denim is a perfect counterpart to the feminine puff sleeve. Combine two of the season's biggest trends by opting for outfits that feature both puff sleeves and ruffles. This combination creates a romantic and whimsical look that is perfect for summer. If you prefer a more understated look, opt for puffed sleeve outfits in neutral tones like white, beige, or soft pastels. These colors are perfect for summer and can be easily mixed and matched with other pieces in your wardrobe. For a beach ready look, consider puff sleeve cover ups or kaftans. These pieces are perfect for throwing over your swimsuit and heading to the beach or pool. If you are conscious about environment, look for puff sleeves outfits made from sustainable fabric. Puff sleeves are bold and playful trend. Puff sleeves are a bold and playful trend, and so have fun with it and let your personality shine through. Confidence will make any outfit look even more fabulous. The key to remain stylish is always a confidence. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of puffed sleeve summer outfits. We hope you find inspiration and ideas to incorporate this trendy style into your summer wardrobe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Luna Fashion and Beauty for more fashion tips, styling guides, and beauty inspiration. We will see you in the next video.